Namaskaram and welcome in our logic building classes. This is our fifth class where basically we will learn how we can test our flow or what is a testing. So let's start. So first of all, we need to know what is testing. Okay, maybe you are hearing this thing from lot of time, but maybe if you are just a fresher, then you don't have any idea about this one. Then let's see it. Testing is a process of evaluation and verifying that the that a software product or application does what it's supposed to do. Okay, so suppose we have created our website, but now we want to know that that is working perfectly fine or not. If that is working perfectly fine, then we are good. If that's making any issue, then we have to fix it. So that's what testing means. Okay, we just want to test that particular functionality or that product. Okay, so that is testing. Now, how we can test our flow? Okay, so first of all, we need to create a flow or create a flow diagram, then only we will know how we can do it. So we are creating a basic example of calculating profit. Okay, so let's do it. So first of all, again, you need to go to the this draw.io. Over here you need to create a new one, and you can call it as calculate profit. Okay, so suppose you have this requirement where you want to calculate the profit. So first of all, you need to think about it actually, what all things you need to calculate a profit. So first of all, we need total amount, and we need the cost. Okay, the selling amount and the cost. So for that particular thing, how we can do is, first of all, let's again put our start element. So over here, start, and then we want to go for the next one as we want to take some input. So if you want to take some input, then what all things we need? So we need the selling amount, and we need the exact amount. Okay, then only we'll get the profit. Okay, so basically for both of these we need two variables. Okay, we want to store the value, so we need two variables. So we'll say input. We can even instead of a and b, we can put the complete name also. So what we are putting over here is input selling amount, amount, and actual amount. Okay, and let's make it beautiful. Great. So now we are taking two things as an input. The first one is the selling amount, what the rate where we are selling, and the actual amount. Okay. So now let's start from here. Okay. Even let's connect it. So if you want to connect it, then again same thing. Now from here our flow is starting, and we are taking two things as an input: selling amount and the actual amount. Okay, so now to calculate profit, we want to do some processing. So for processing, we have to put our processing element. So what actually we need to do is, we need to calculate. So we can say uh, profit. Okay, profit equal to selling amount. Okay, selling amount minus actual amount. Okay, actual amount. So if we do this thing, then definitely we will get our um, profit. So now let's again connect these two things. So connected. Now we want to print it. So again, we can just put one output. So we want to print our profit. Okay, profit is here. So this profit only we need to print. Okay, so over here we can print our profit. Again we have to connect it. So centralize. Now we want to connect it. Okay, done. Now we want to just end it. So again we can put one over here and it will end. Okay, our flow is ready, but now first of all we want to test it. Okay, so for testing what we need to do is we need to somehow give the values. Okay, so we can check it. Okay, so parallelly over here we can write some values and see. Okay, so in the selling amount, okay, so we can directly put a text over here actually. Okay, some text over here, and we can say that this is not part of our flow diagram, but this is just for testing. Okay, we can do anything. Even you can put this thing in your notepad anywhere, but I'm just putting over here. Okay, so I'm saying in the selling amount I'm putting total 1000, and in the actual amount I'm putting 1200. Okay, or let's put it 800. Okay, 800. 800. Okay, 1800. Now when it will come over here, then basically we want to put it like this. So by this formula our profit will be calculated. So profit equal to 1000 minus 800. How this is happening? Because in our formula if we see, okay, selling amount minus actual amount, selling amount minus actual, selling amount is 1000, we are putting 1000 over here, and actual amount is 800, so we are putting actual amount 800 over here. Okay, when we will print over here, then okay, again we need to put one more text, and when we will print, then 1000 minus 800. So when we will print it, that time the profit will print, and in the profit we have 200. Okay, so this is how we can see actually that what's happening with our flow. Okay, and is it going in the right direction or not. So this is just a basic example of testing. Okay, in the upcoming classes even we will go more deep and we'll try to see the things. Okay, so I hope you understood the things, and definitely as always I have another surprise for you. So you need to calculate loss. In this example I'm calculating profit. Same way you need to calculate loss, and you need to submit that particular um, assignment. Thank you so much for watching this complete video. Okay, and we'll meet in the next class. Till that, bye bye. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.